Morning guys, Arthur here, coming to you even, from the NEC, not quite yet, but nearly. We're currently in Birmingham, so out of the workshop, on our way to the NEC Practical Classics car show. Excuse me if I'm a little bit drowsy. We were on the beers last night. I'm a bit sloppy, but we're warming up. And yes, so I've got the Bright Young Sparks Award this afternoon at about 3:30, 20 past 3 I think it is, which I'm lucky enough to have won. So that's really exciting. I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, we've got to get in, get a couple of bits set up, and yeah, get organised really, and enjoy the weekend. So yeah, I'm really excited. Never been before. I don't think any of the guys have either. So I really hope you enjoy it as much as we're gonna. We'll catch up with you very soon. Are we going down?
Yeah, down.
I assume we're going down.
Oh, we're going up. We're through it.
Yeah, we want to go down.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all that.
Lost.
Is that how you are here? I think we're there.
This is going up.
So we're nerding out a little bit now. We're here at the SATA stand at the NEC, and just looking at the new Jet X guns. And Tom's recently ordered the digital one. So it's nice to see these in person. So yeah, really clean. I'm still rocking the old RP 5000 at the workshop. But that is lovely. Who knows, maybe worth an investment, we'll see. I'll try Tom's out and see where we get to.
And the young man who has won the Bright Young Sparks Award in 2025 is Arthur Atkinson. Are you confident that you're still going to be doing what you do in 10 years' time?
I think so, yeah. I think, yes, it's typically the younger generation are going, further away from it. But I still think there's plenty of people out there that love cars as much as I do and have that same enthusiasm. And I think you get the right people involved. You've got Heritage Skills Academy, you've got Lancaster Insurance. There's that enthusiasm and motivation behind it. Paired with the right people, I think will continue, and it will carry on. We were talking last night about trying to find Alfie, our cameraman, a car at the NEC show, and I was thinking, let's buy a project or something. We were out last night having a few beers and things.
Oh, I'm not seeing these.
And yeah, I was trying to convince him it would be a good plan to buy a car and try and make it home. But I don't really. Hey, what about this? Eh? You got a 911 turbo here. You got a Targa 300 SL, Cosworth. I mean, that's lovely, isn't it? That's beautiful. great when you've got a cameraman, you can get away with a lot of things and
Because it's more than 200 words.
get yourself a brochure, get an auction. So now what we're looking for, Alfie, is typically 90s, 80s, 90s, a lot of hot hatch, GTIs, RSs, old British stuff is usually good. I like the Japanese stuff, but if we can maybe monitor one of these cars as they go up live, see how they do, you never know. We could have another classic. We could take another one home from the NEC, but we'll see how much they get run up. But yeah, nonetheless, if we don't, we enjoy some great cars. So we'll have a little look. Just speaking a bit of my language with this Capri here. Is this a 2.8 injection? Yeah. 2.8 injection, previously restored long-term storage, this one. Pulled out of a barn by the looks of it, but yeah. See, that is exactly what we want, really. Something solid, clean. That wouldn't take a lot. Keep me and the guys busy for a few days, I think. Actually looks quite nice. Say again?
Price.
So price range on this is 8 to 10, which I would say seems slightly above average, slightly on a higher scale, but yeah, it's quite nice nonetheless. It's exactly what you want to be buying from these auctions and looking at, because you know it doesn't look that attractive to everyone else, but if you're me and you like old crap, yeah, perfect.
This is what I'm doing. Flipping guys. Is that the
I look quite awkward now in the showroom, kneeling down and crawling under an Aston Martin, but you know, these things have got to be done. Rusty comes to mind. Lovely car, but rusty. And this is the sort of thing that you really want to be looking out for at these auctions, because people will be very easily put off. But if you can get an Aston Martin V8, but not a lot of money, be worth having. Bit of JDM goodness. Yeah, so this one's caught a bit of my eye. We've got a 99 VTI Civic EJ9 or EK9, I think the chassis number is. This one's quite nice. 107k miles, but now this is actually honestly true. I mean, a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace say this about all their cars anyway, but this is actually true. One lady owner from New, an Electron Blue, and it's got a sunroof as well, so quite a rare, desirable little car. B16 twin cam VTEC engine. Yeah, really, really nice. I think it's been resprayed at some point as a couple of pigtails and things on the front end. There's a nice T-top MR2 there as well, which is also caught my eye a little bit. Sitting on some aftermarket alloys and things too, but overall quite nice. I'd be interested to see what these go for, especially the Honda, because it's quite, yeah, everyone looks at the Type R's and that sort of thing, but really you're not far with the VTR. It's effectively the same car, just without a couple of bits. So no, definitely keep my eye on them. Hello, stranger. Hello. How are you?
We've just been talking about
Yeah,
you.
I know. I heard you up there.
Good.
How's things?
Brilliant, really good. You're just free on YouTube.
Yeah. I've got
You've
Alfie now. I've got my
more of a
camera
professional
man.
outfit than me. This
Yeah,
is amazing.
I know.
Love
He's pretty good.
How are you getting on with the wheeling machine?
Lovely. That's awesome.
Yeah?
Really, really good. Chris is just churning away on it, and it's lovely to see when he's using it.
Yeah, I've really
I always
enjoyed
think
watching
that
your
you-
videos and been
Have you been-
following online, following your YouTube as well, and Instagram.
Well, it's all Alfie. He's incredible.
It's
So
really good.
It's taking
Really
it by
good.
storm. But we're following you, I think, to a degree, and taking a bit of inspiration from everything
Good on
you've done.
you. Good on you.
Yeah, just chasing. Thanks for everything you're saying. And
Congratulations.
You make me blush. Up
Yeah,
there.
no, stop. No, it's well deserved. I really mean it. It's
thank
amazing.
you.
You are hope to inspire so many other people, and you are such a living proof that, as I was saying,
That's
it's
really
possible. No,
Yeah,
and
it
you're
is.
flat out busy.
Yeah, well,
And it's all achievable.
Yeah.
Just a
that's
lot of hard work. but
Yeah, it is. Alright guys, so we're in the auto jumble section of the NEC at the moment. We had a little look around the auction earlier on too, and yeah, unfortunately didn't really buy anything, but you know, you win some, you lose some. There's some really cool stuff going through there, some really nice stuff, some really crazy low mileage cars, really interesting. Yeah, but it was good fun to watch, and yeah, well done to everyone that won a car. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, and there's masses, anything you could ever want to do with cars around here. Like I say, we're at the auto jumble part of the show now, and it's just endless. You've got carburetors, headlights, distribute caps, gas kits. I mean, from anything. I mean, there's literally anything you can think of here. So, yeah, we're just wading our way through a little bit. But yeah, we had a little chat to Dom as well. You would have seen that just a minute ago, so really great to see him and touch base as well. He seems a very busy man here at the show, so lots of people queuing up to see him, so it's nice to get in there and touch base with him again. But yeah, we're gonna carry on scavenging and see if we can find any goodies, I think. So we'll carry on going this way and see what we can find. A couple of Hain manuals, wouldn't go down a miss. There's fuel filters, old gauges, got belts. I mean, some of these are probably fairly out of date, but you know, I think it's about as old stock as you can get, and I'm not sure I'd trust it too much. That looks like it's been sat around a while, but cool to see nonetheless. There's just gas kits, I mean, bulbs and what was that? Gearbox mount for transits, and I mean, it's just like everything. All sorts. Absolutely all sorts. Files, you've got tools, there's machinery, there's parts for machinery, there's oil for machinery, and if you, I mean, I know some bits for cars, you know, but if you know exactly what you're looking for and you can rummage around here, you could probably find exactly what you're looking for. And yeah, it's just a bit endless. Really, really cool. Brake fittings, master cylinders. I was saying to Alfie a minute ago, don't suppose they've got a driver side indicator for a 98 Glanza V Toyota Starlet. But yeah, we both chuckled about that, and I doubt they do, but yeah, it was worth a shot. The Hot Wheels, if you're into that, there's loads of stuff. I'm a huge fan of man cave decor and signage and stuff like that, so it's amazing to see all this stuff. Alright guys, so we're now back from the NEC, and oh, it's been a long day. I mean, yeah, being on your feet for a couple of days, the people running the show, credit to all of them. I mean, that's a lot of work. We've only been there for a couple of days, and yeah, but it's been really good. It's been a lot of fun. We've seen a lot of people. Great to see Dom. Great to meet all the guys and girls from Lancaster Insurance. Classic and Sports Car magazine as well. It's been fantastic to talk to everyone on stage and off stage too, and yeah, we really hope you enjoyed the video, and what a fantastic weekend it's been, and we've had a great time, both myself and all the guys here at Concourse Classics. We've really enjoyed it, and yeah, I mean, I need a cold beer and an early night because I'm exhausted. But yeah, we're going to be back next year. Stay tuned for that. We'll bring some cars. We'll have a stand. We're really going to make the most of the NEC next year, and it's going to be mega. So stick around for that. And anything in between now and then, of course, as well too. So I'm going to get a beer. You guys have a great evening. Hope you've enjoyed the video. And we'll see you in the next one. So yeah, take it easy guys.